Place 1 to 2 drops of the frankincense oil inside, close the lid, take with food and water for best results. Hey, this is Lance McGowan with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to be talking about doTERRA's frankincense essential oil and its many benefits and uses. Renowned as one of the most prized and precious essential oils, frankincense has extraordinary health benefits. In addition to its notoriety in the New Testament, the Babylonians and Assyrians would burn frankincense in religious ceremonies, and the ancient Egyptians used frankincense resin for everything from perfume to salves for soothing skin. This century-old knowledge contributes to the modern use of frankincense today. Its soothing and beautifying properties are used to rejuvenate the skin and help reduce the appearance of imperfections when applied topically. As the king of all the oils, frankincense is known to support healthy cellular function when used internally. When inhaled or diffused, frankincense promotes feelings of peace, relaxation, satisfaction, and overall wellness. The top 3 uses for doTERRA's frankincense are aromatically, so that means breathing it in, topically, so if you can point to it, you can put it there, as well as internally. Frankincense's main benefits are that it helps maintain a healthy immune system, supports cellular health, balances your mood, and soothes tight muscles and joints. The directions for use are adding 1 to 2 drops of the frankincense with 1 to 2 drops of the deep blue oil, or you can use the deep blue rub, which I have right here, which is a great lotion, and there's 1 bottle of the deep blue oil in this, and this is a great combo if you need some extra support for tired muscles. You can also apply 2 drops of the frankincense oil with a fractionated coconut oil on the bottoms of your feet, which is a good reflex point, and the doTERRA fractionated coconut oil is a great choice because it helps to spread out the concentration of the essential oil, so to reduce the chance of irritation, as well as it helps the essential oil to absorb better into the skin, and then also helps to cover larger surface areas, which the bottoms of the feet are really great. And by the time you do that, you'll have already applied it on the palms of your hands, so that will also help the reflex points on the palms of your hands too. And so one main area you want to focus on is the thumb, which is the reflex point for the brain, as well as your big toe, which is the reflex point for your brain as well. So if you focus on that, that'll definitely support your mental health as well as your mood. Then lastly, you can place 1 to 2 drops of the frankincense oil in a veggie capsule and take internally daily, and morning and night would be a good use of that. And so this is the veggie caps from doTERRA, which I like to use. And so basically what you do is you take one out, place 1 to 2 drops of the frankincense oil inside, close the lid, take with food and water for best results. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did, hit subscribe for future video updates, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I'll see you in the next video.